What's up guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. Today we talk about how to record your computer screen using ActivePresenter 10, the latest version of ActivePresenter. First thing first, if you want to use ActivePresenter, you need to download it first. So I can put the link in the description for you, or you can just go to the website atomisystem.com. This is the homepage of the product, or you can click here at the product page and go to ActivePresenter, and you can see different use of ActivePresenter here. Okay, slide-based course, interactive simulation, gamification, and video-based course, stuff like that. And you want to go to the download page right here and select ActivePresenter. And now they have different options for Windows and Mac OS. For now, we can click here to download a Windows version. Okay, and then you can open ActivePresenter on your computer. Okay, so this is the new start page of ActivePresenter 10, and you can start your screen recording right here. Record screen as video. Okay, so this is the recording toolbar, and you have an option for the screen. Select full screen or custom screen right here. Okay, and you can even select a lock application on your computer. By the way, I will just go full screen because normally I will go full screen, but I need to adjust my webcam. Secondly, you can select your webcam, turn it on and off right here, and click this menu to select the webcam on your computer. So this is currently my Canon 800D, so I will use it as a webcam. And next up, you can select your microphone. Okay, so I'm going to use this one, Chromat MP1 Pro. This is my USB microphone and system sound. I can leave it by default. We can turn it off also. Okay, calibrate the volume here, and you can click here for more setting and recording setting. Okay, so at the recording setting, there's something here about the cursor. So always go to cursor and check this box, record mouse cursor. Otherwise, it will not record mouse cursor. Okay, so for the hotkey, we can see the hotkey right here for ending the recording and starting the recording. Okay, audio and video, you can just leave it by default, and we can click save. And now you can start your screen recording. Okay, so you turn on my webcam again. I have no idea why it just turned on and off my webcam when starting the screen recording, but maybe they will fix it later. Okay, so now it is currently recording my screen. You can go to the home page of ActivePresenter. Okay, by the way, ActivePresenter is free to use for screen recording and basic editing. But if you want to export your project into HTML file or for commercial use, you need to purchase a license of ActivePresenter. Okay, so we can go to pricing to see the price of ActivePresenter. They have different version for you. The first one is ActivePresenter Standard, which is around $200 and Pro $400. And they have Pro Edu also. If you want to purchase the license, don't forget to use my special discount on Jacky deals. So Jacky deals is my website. So I put all the discount coupon here on this website. You can find ActivePresenter here. It is down here at the second line. So 20% off for Pro Edu and Pro and Standard license. And also I have discount for other software here also. Okay, so that's my short tutorial. So I can end the screen recording. Just click here to and find ActivePresenter. You see here, and then I can just end it. Preparing capture slide. So it will prepare your project, and it is actually the editing interface of ActivePresenter. Okay, so this is your screen recording, and actually this is how you can start your screen recording right at the start page. But if you want to start your screen recording right here, you can do it also. Here at the home page, home tab, you can click here, record screen, and select record screen as video. It will create a new slide here. By the way, let me show you the slide here first. So they have a preview window here at the center, and the timeline here at the bottom, and on the right side is the property pane, and on the left side is the slide. So there are many slides here if you desire an e-learning course, stuff like that. So for the webcam, we can minimize the webcam, or we can just click here and then we can create a circle webcam stuff like that by the crop function, but I'm not going to do that. I just want to show you how to start and stop your screen recording in ActivePresenter. Okay, so this is my screen recording, and actually it has the beginning also, but at the beginning I don't have the webcam because it just turned off my webcam for about 10 seconds. So we can start our screen recording from here at this position. Okay, and for the mouse cursor, if you want to add some mouse cursor effect and left click and right click sound, you can select your screen recording right here and go to the right side at the property and select this icon, brief video. Okay, and we have the cursor effect here, render cursor, so we can select the type of the cursor highlight, so it will be yellow. Okay, so we can play the video. File or for commercial use, you need to purchase the license of ActivePresenter. Very nice, right? And you see the mouse cursor here. But if you want to add text to your video and add some annotation, you can select the insert menu here, and then text caption and shape, stuff like that. I can add this one. Okay, something like this. So we can say, hey, click here. I'm sorry, I need to double click here. Click here. Okay, something like that, and we can increase the size. Okay, so there are many things more about ActivePresenter I can show you in my next tutorial. By the way, this is just how you can start and stop your screen recording. And now if you are happy with the screen recording, you can just export it to video format and upload it to YouTube. So you want to go to the export tab here and select video. And remember, if you are using a free version of ActivePresenter, you can still export it into video format. Okay, just click the video and then just leave it by default, and you need to click here, browse, and change the name so that you recognize the output on your computer. Okay, so this is ActivePresenter 10 output. Okay, so I will put it right here at the desktop and click save, and now I can click OK, and now it turned off my webcam, and I have no idea why there is some kind of action like this, but maybe they will fix it in the future. And now I have to adjust the shutter speed again. Okay, so now it is recording my computer screen together with my webcam, and I can do something here. For example, I can show you the pricing page of ActivePresenter. Hello, this is the pricing page. So you go to pricing page, and currently they are offering a special discount. So which is $199 for standard version. After September, they will increase the price per license here. Alright, so this is how you can record screen in ActivePresenter 10. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like the video, just hit the like button. And if you want to learn more tutorial about ActivePresenter, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.